This is Abdul Rahman. I am from Vandiperiyar, and it's a former principal of a high-range public school. And now I have decided to take a franchise of Indian Abacus, and really I like it. And this Abacus will help the younger generation. That is my main motive. The younger generation nowadays they are losing their concentration. And this Abacus, I hope the younger generation will move towards concentrating their energies, their mind power, their memory power will increase. And I take this as a social service to the next generation. Regarding the trainer, we have got a nice trainer, and yes, for the past 2 days we are really involved in it, and we never had any other thinking, and hope the same thing will be able to imbibe on the students